in today's video I'm going to do the shop reviews of the shop that you have given me on the Instagram DM. So if you want to review your shop, you can send your shop link to my DM of the Instagram, and the link of my Instagram is in the description below. Moreover, you guys can ask any type of question related to Redbubble if you got any confusion, and if you want to get motivation, you can text me as well. Hey guys, what's up? This is me, which I have been in print on demand business more than a year, and I'm here making print on demand content just for you guys in order to motivate you and give you guys the right tips and tricks. So guys, keep supporting me in this way, and like, comment and subscribe is very important, and share my videos as much as you can, because it will help others, and when you help other people, it definitely karma will hit you back and you will also get help. So let's get started. Here we are on the first shop, and its name is BillionaireBrnd, and he's from United States, and he got 153 designs. It is very good, and don't have any collections. Hey ma'am, make collections as well, as I know your name and I recently talked to you on Instagram as well. So make collections as well, as it helps customer to find the best thing from your shop. So these are all beautiful designs, and this is a good one, and all of these are very good one. And here you are using sticker packs as well, and here too, and here as well. And so I'm checking your shop truly, and if I go to the down and to the bottom, here I will see that there are 47 favorite. Alright, so you got very best designs. The main thing I saw on your shop is that most of your designs have shirt as front image. Most of in my videos I have told already that put sticker or sticker packs as your front image. Just like this, you have put sticker as your front image. So there are three things you have to do. The number one, you have to make collections. The number second, put sticker as your front image, and remove these shirts as front image and put sticker instead of their place, and just like you did here and here as well. So do this thing. And the third thing is make sticker packs. Here I saw some of the sticker packs, but that's not enough. Make sticker packs on trends as well. In the trends of the week, the trending topics or the evergreen issues I have told you, or I'm going to tell you in the future as well. Make at least 4 to 5 sticker packs on or such designs. Overall, your shop is very good, your designs is very good. Just implement these 3 tips, and I hope you get more and more sales in very few times. So the second shop that we have is Peter Stavage, and he's from the last United States, and he got 655 designs. And dude, this is very great. I always encourage to make more and more designs, so you will get more and more deals as well. So here we are, and he's making collection as well, and he's also making designs on trending topics such as Halloween, and this is very good and encouraging. And here are the shop, and the designs are very cool and fancy, and I like his shop really. And if we go to the bottom, here he got 375 favorites, which means he's getting some amount of sales as well. It would let me know in the DM that you are getting sale or not. Overall, your shop is very good, and I am watching you have made sticker as your front image, and this is very good. The thing I just want to say to you, make designs on trending topics, evergreen designs. The trending topic that I showed you in my trends of the week video, make at least 5 designs on it, and also make more sticker packs as well. And here you put some designs on, I think, poster. So put sticker as your front image and make sticker packs as well. Overall, the number of your designs is very good. Make more designs, and I hope you are getting more sales, and I'm really impressed from your shop, and you are going great. These are the few things, just implemented, and you will get more and more sales. So the third shop that we are going to review is Crazy Tea, and the cover image very good, but the profile picture is not matching with the cover image. So please put some profile picture related to the cover image, as it affect very on the customer. I have seen your shop, and your shop is very good. It also have collection as well. The one thing question me and is that you are making designs on the characters which are, I think, copyrighted. So dude, this is very risky thing and very dangerous thing, because Redbubble removes the designs which are copyrighted. So try to make your own design using Canva or other software as well. Don't put other celebrities, just like you have added this, I think he's related to Joker or something like that. So don't put them in your shop, it will only risk your shop. So overall your shop is very good. You're having sticker packs as a front image, put sticker packs as your front image on the things as well. Just like here you put t-shirts as your front image, remove t-shirt from front image and put sticker on it. And if we go to the down, here you got 174 favorite, which is good, and the number of designs you are having is very real, and I am very impressed. Make more designs on it and don't try to copyright designs or make designs on the celebrities or any related thing, as it is copyrighted and Redbubble will remove your design and it will also result in suspending your shop as well. So this is very serious matter. Overall your shop is very good. Make more designs and make more sticker packs and put them on your front image and implement some of the things, and don't copyright other designs, and you're good to go and your shop is perfect, and I hope you will get more sales in the future. The last shop review that we have is Moonlight shop, and she got 177 designs and she joined in July 21. And just look at her shop, and she also made collections as well, which is very good, and she is making designs on Halloween and the trending topic as well, and putting sticker as their front image as well, and this is very cool and like her shop very much. And if we go to the down, she got 1621 favorites, so I think she is getting sales. He'll let me know in my DM that you are getting sales or not. And overall your shop is very good. The advice I will give to you is that don't make such type of designs just like you have made here using Instagram logos. Like we never know which design is copyright, so it will remove your shop or remove your design, so it will just your trouble for the shop. So overall your shop is very good and I'm really impressed. Make more sticker packs using these plants, small plants and all the stuff, and overall shop is very good and I like your shop. And you got 177 designs, make more designs, and if you got any question ask me in the DM. And this is it. So this is it guys from my side. Keep supporting me in this way, and if you're watching till this end, thank you guys, and subscribe my channel and also follow me on Instagram. And if you have any question you can ask me there as well. The link is in the description, and if you want to review your shop you can send it as well. So this is it guys for today, and I'm very thankful to you. Have a nice day. Cheers.